Welcome back, everyone. We're going to be solving LeetCode 11, container with most water. So we're given an integer array height of length n. There are n vertical lines drawn such that the two endpoints of the ith line are I, 0 and I, height of I. We need to find two lines that together with the x-axis form a container such that the container contains the most water. And we want to return the maximum amount of water a container can store. So let's take a look at example 1, right? They give us an output of 49, and the container that contains the most water is going to be starting at the vertical bar of 1 and the vertical bar of position 8, right? That gives us an output of 49. But how can we go about and solve this? Well, we can use two pointers. We'll set a left pointer equal to the start of the array and a right pointer equal to the end of the array. We'll calculate the area of that rectangle, and if the right vertical bar is greater than the left vertical bar, we'll increment our left pointer by 1, recalculate the area. If the left vertical bar is greater than the right vertical bar, we'll decrement the right bar by 1, calculate the area, and we'll keep going until or while our left pointer is less than our right pointer. And then at the end, we should just get an output of our maximum area. So left and right, we'll set them equal to 0 and the length of height minus 1. We are also going to have a resulting output variable. We'll initially set it equal to 0. And we'll run our while loop while left is less than right. What are we going to do first? We should calculate the width first. The width is just going to be right minus left. And now we can calculate the area. The area is going to be the width times the minimum of whatever vertical bar we're at, right? So vertical in our first iteration, right, the right pointer value is going to be equal to 7. Left pointer value will be equal to 1. So we'll want to take this value and multiply it by the width, and that'll give us our area for that one. So we'll say the minimum of heights of L and height of right. Okay, now we want to potentially update this resulting output variable, right? So we'll say if area is greater than res, we will set res equal to area. And now we can check if height of left is less than height of right. What are we going to do? We are going to increment our left pointer by 1. Otherwise, we will decrement our right pointer by 1. And then once we exit this loop, we can just return our resulting output variable. So let's run this. We pass both test cases, so we'll submit. Perfect. Now, time and space complexity for this is going to be, time complexity is going to be O of n, and the space complexity is going to be O of 1, right? We're not creating any new data structures to solve this problem. All right, that'll do it for LeetCode 11.